Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. And happy Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, a Thursday. We got some big news that came in today. We had the initial jobless claims, which, wow, it just kind of surprised everybody. It came up 474,000. So basically, what that means is 474,000 people applied for unemployment last week, the last day of April. So that's 3 weeks of April. So going into tomorrow with the jobs reports is probably going to be looking pretty grim. The stock market was, for the most part, was down. It's kind of subsided a little bit over time, but we'll probably get the big numbers tomorrow. And then productivity was up a little bit. It was up at 1.6 for the first quarter. There's kind of revised numbers down from 2.9. So and then unit labor costs were up a little bit, like 1%. So these are all important numbers to be looking at, especially jobless claims is what they're looking for. It kind of gives them kind of a hit for maybe tomorrow what we have for the job, for the unemployment rate, and then the jobs report is going to be coming out. So, ADP kind of provided that yesterday, but really haven't provided us any real accurate information. So tomorrow's going to be very interesting to see how it rolls out. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond report and see where mortgage rates are at. So here's the here's the bond market we just talked about, and again, we're having a nice trend line up here, and basically, even if we kind of move sideways here, we're still in good shape here. But I think tomorrow we're going to see a huge breakout. We did start about 25 basis points. I think it was from yesterday's close, which is a huge opening gap, which you kind of saw come down, kind of closing up the gap a little bit. And tomorrow, I think we're going to see some pretty big numbers coming out, assuming that especially today's 474,000 going to filing for unemployment, that the job numbers may not look so rosy coming tomorrow. So I think that's what they're kind of bracing for, and let's stay tuned. But we could have a nice run up to maybe the 104 within the next couple of days here. So that means there'll be much better interest rates. Mortgage rates are a lot better today compared to yesterday, or in a while. So we haven't seen this really since last November timeframe. We haven't been to this level since about November timeframe. This is what we had in March or even January for that matter. So November is about that time frame. And notice how fast this came down, and then also how fast a lot of this came up. So this could happen rather quickly. All right, folks, you guys have a great day, and then catch you tomorrow. And folks, I'm also a loan officer. If you're looking for a mortgage in the state of California, I can also help assist you. You can check out my other websites here at obviously at Mike's Daily Market Report and MikeBjork.com, even CaliforniaMortgageTips.com and the Mike's HomeBuyerUniversity.com. I have some great resources there. But feel free to give me a call at 310-694-3544. I can do refinances, and I also do purchases. So I can help you get pre-approved to buy that next home here. So thank you, and keep me in mind.